ACER Supra 618IIASD surface grinder. A 3-axis automatic super precision surface grinder. Guarantee 2/10 overall flatness. 10 great reasons to go Supra 618IIASD auto surface grinder. 1. Dynamic balanced 3 horsepower class V3 spindle motor for big stock removal. 2. Heavy structure cartridge type with rubber coupling spindle design for easy maintenance. This precision spindle comes with 4 class 7 angular contact precision bearing to support 8-inch OD by 3/4 to 1-inch straight thickness by 1 1/4 ID grinding wheel to increase productivity. 3. Super rigid and high column 19 and 5/16 inch travel from center of spindle to table surface. 1 1/4 inch higher than other brands for tall part grinding. 4. Extra wide 24-inch saddle with double V tercite B way. The 2 V way are 21.5 inches apart for full stable 21-inch table movement. 5. Large machine base with 24-inch wide, 23-inch deep, and machine weight 2,100 pounds to ensure accuracy and stability of machine. 6. Precision ball rolling way with vacuum heat treated Rockwell C55 slide way. 7. Ergonomic bottom down feet design on waist height with 2/10 direct read increment with veneer scale to read 50 millionths and with optional 15 millionths micro down feed. 8. Auto loop system which can adjust best lubrication for machine to run a long life. 9. Coolant sealed electrical cabinet with electricity cutoff on-off switch. Also control and 24 voltage power for safety and electrical components can be easily found at local supply. 10. Free halogen light splash guard balancing stand with arbor. More than $500 value standard accessories. The machine is covered by ACER's full 1-year no-nonsense warranty, which is the best in our industry. ACER Group originally started as a grinding business 30 years ago. We are very proud to have this as our backbone to keep manufacturing machines with the grinding concept in mind. Even with the most fundamental but essential small-size automatic precision surface grinder, Supra 618IIASD is the highest standard in our industry. Hundreds of the Supra 618IIASD are used all around our country day in and day out to produce the most accurate and quality parts the customers need. We hope your next automatic grinder will be an ACER Precision Supra 618IIASD grinder.